Pero habang simula bata pa lang ako, tapos nade-develop yung acting skills, and ang dami pong dumadating na iba't ibang klaseng role sa akin. So sabi ko parang hindi ko kayang pakawalan din ng acting.
Same as Crystal, my first love was singing. I actually auditioned for Star Magic Bigla 2010 as a singer po. Pero yun nga, nas nabigyan po ako ng breaks in acting that I never know na kaya ko pong gawin. So, na-enjoy ko po ng sobra, natutunan ko rin mahalin yung craft. And medyo nawala ako dun sa musical side ko that I had when I was younger. So, ito na yung perfect na chance, perfect na opportunity to get back to my musical side, to get back with my first love. Pero if I would have to choose po, it's both. I think we can all do it both.
I can do that.
I can do that.
You can do that. Anyway, marami ka sabi na marami kang ka-look alike, pero I'm sure that in the future, you will have your own.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Tito Eugene.